Hey, good morning. Mike Burgoyne here with Mexico Real Estate Solutions and Playa Real Estate Group. And I say good morning. It's the time of day I'm here. I'm here in Tulum and I'm checking out this really cool, beautiful little villa, only 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, 7 or 8 minutes away from the town of Tulum. And yeah, let me show you. I want to show you this place. Come on. Beautiful wall, automatic gate for your car, motion sensor lights as you come up to the beautiful front entry. Buzz-in entry system. And welcome home. Great car park here. Come around and see this from another angle, but loads of room, beautiful covered spot. Go slow so you can take this all in. So we have approximately 2,500 square feet of construction. And again, only 8 minutes from Highway 307 in Tulum. 4 or 5 minute drive to convenience stores. And shops and restaurants are, just that, about 10 minutes away. Come in, check out the kitchen. Massive high ceilings. There's no air conditioning running right now in the house. But there's no concerns with the AC. Since we have 40 solar panels, you can run the AC all day, all night long. Great laundry area. Again, with the high ceilings, help keep everything fresh. Door out here. I love the accent tiles. This is where I just came from, the front hall entrance. Come down around here and you've got, access to the solar business down here. A generator beneath, propane tank there for the generator. There's no HOA, it's just a quiet residential street. This house is sold, as you see, furnished and equipped. Beautiful sliding barn doors into the main bedroom. First, you've got a closet you can lock off just for storage, like an owner's lock closet if you choose to rent it out. You've got a half bath here right off the master, which we'll sneak around to that. Spin this around. The other side of those beautiful sliding doors. Take a look back to the living space. Right here. Beautiful attention to detail with this sliding barn doors matching the wood in the kitchen. And then you've got, here, let's go back this way first. So loads of closet space, open air again with the high ceilings all the way up. Man, I don't know how high that's gotta be, 16, 17 feet. More closet space, lots of light, lots of window. Got a shower, sink area here. And then my favorite part, outdoor shower. Great outdoor shower here, so you can shower in the jungle, rain or shine. Even the shower's landscaped. This is beautiful. So I'll just quickly show you quickly around the yard. The lot itself is 40 meters by 60 meters deep. A bunch of fruit trees on the lot, some pineapple, some avocado, a few different varieties, 3 different varieties of banana, papaya. A pineapple coming up right there. That's gray water septic system. All the birds you can imagine in the jungles of Tulum. Occasional monkey passing by. Again, with the beautiful accents in the tile everywhere. Here. Beautiful spot. Poolside, under the palapa. Another half bath here, so your poolside, you don't have to go through anyone's space. You know what a half bath looks like. Simple. And looking back over the house. Sorry for the wobble on the camera there. Yeah, I mean, really, just sitting here, I feel like all those doors open in front of me. I feel like this is just an extension of the house. Get ceiling fans up in here, so regardless of breeze outside or not. I always have a really nice cool breeze in here. Ready for a hammock. Here's the other end. And the second bedroom is like a casita. It's a full studio. Got a little kitchenette. The same high ceilings in here. Beautiful bathroom. Screens on all the windows, of course, because we are in the jungle. Yeah, so you have guests. They can be out here, morning coffee, evening cocktails, nightcaps, and not be disturbing anybody in the main home. They have their own space. Yeah, it's really a beautiful garden. Pardon the hand. So again, thanks for watching. Mike Burgoyne with Mexico Real Estate Solutions. This is different. This is really a special house. I'm just looking towards now. You got an outdoor shower, poolside. It's just another feature. Really well thought out. It's a great space. And I hope you enjoy the video. Look forward to your comments, questions, and feedback. And of course, to seeing you down here very soon.